This started as a scrap of wood, something most people would throw away. I made it into the most important word I know. And I think right now it's the most important word any of us can hold on to. Let's talk, create, and explore the quiet power of making things. I'm Ellen. Welcome to Sawdust and Friends, Carved from Life. These are my wood words: courage, believe, just breathe, thank you, adorable. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Each one of these started as a scrap: black walnut, cherry, maple, mahogany, poplar wood that was left over, wood that had already served one purpose and had more to give. I turned them into words, and words, when you can hold them, do something that printed words can't. I knew a therapist who kept words like these in her office. When a client came in, she would ask the client if they would like to hold a word during their session. They would find the word that fit: hope, courage, believe, faith, and they would hold it during the whole session. Just hold it in their hands. There is something about holding a word that is made of something real, something you can feel the weight of, something with texture and grain. That changes how the word lands in you. It's not just a word anymore. It's an object. It's something you can choose to hold. Today, I'm cutting the word love because I think right now, in this world, in this moment, we all need a little more love, more tolerance, more compassion, more of the things that actually connect us instead of divides us. I can't fix what's happening in the world. I can't change what's on the news, but I can cut this word from a scrap of wood, hold it, and I can send it out into the world and hope that whoever holds it next feels something shift. Well, here's how it works. I design the word on my computer. I choose the font, the size, the way the letters will sit together, and then I print it, not in black, but in color, blue or red, so I can see the line against the saw blade while I'm cutting. Super 77 spray adhesive, I spray the back of the paper and press it to the wood. And then I drill the holes. Wherever the saw blade needs to enter an enclosed space inside a letter between curves, I drill a hole first. Thread the blade through and cut from the inside out. I love the scroll saw, not just because of what it makes, because of what it does to me while I'm making. There's something about sitting down at the scroll saw, the hum of the blade, the focus it requires, the way you have to slow down and follow the line. That quiets everything else. I come to the scroll saw when I'm stuck, when I have a problem I can't solve, or when something is sitting heavy on me, and I just scroll. And somewhere in the scrolling, the answer comes, or the heaviness lifts a little, or I just remember that I'm someone who makes things, and that's enough. love, black walnut, cherry, a scrap that was left over from something else. And now it's this. When I cut this word, well, I thought about love, about who I've loved, what I've loved, the joy of that, and, well, sometimes the sorrow, but mostly the joy. Because love, even when it's hard, is always worth it. And when you hold this word in your hands, and I mean really hold it, something happens. The word stops being a concept. It becomes something real, something with weight, something with grain, something carved. I've been making these for years, and I call them wood words. And I always come back to the same question. Would a single word change the world? And my answer is always the same. If it changes you, it changes the world, because you are in this world, and everything you carry, every word you hold, everything you make, every act of love or courage or belief ripples out further than you can see, further than you will ever know. One word, one scrap of wood, one person who holds it and feels something shift. That's enough. And that's always been enough. These wood words are available on my website. Courage, believe, just breathe, thank you, love, and more being cut all the time. Each one is made from a scrap of wood. Black walnut, cherry, maple, mahogany, poplar. Each one is one of a kind. If there's a word you need right now, reach out and I'll cut it for you. Link in the description below. So that's episode 12 of Sawdust and Friends. Thank you for being here. And if this episode meant something to you, share it. Send it to someone who needs to hold a word right now. We all do. And I'll see you in the shop. Stay curious, keep creating, and remember, the most important thing you will ever create is your life.